Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to create a table with insert, update, delete, ordering, and filtering in SQL Server. In the first, I will create database. Then use database command to work with a different database. You must use the use database command to select it. Once you have selected a database, all subsequent SQL statements will be executed against that database. Now create a new table called Employees. Employee ID int primary key. This line defines the first column of the table, employee ID, with the data type int, which is used for storing integer values. The primary key constraint indicates that this column will be the primary key for the table, ensuring its values are unique and indexed for quick retrieval. First name varchar 50. This line defines the second column, first name, with the varchar data type, which is used for variable length character strings. The 50 specifies that the column can store strings up to 50 characters in length. Last name varchar 50. Similar to the first name column, this line defines the last name column. Birthday date. This line defines the birthdate column with the date data type, which is used for date values. Hire date date. This line defines the hire date column, also with the date data type. Select asterisk. This part of the query specifies that you want to retrieve all columns for each row in the table. From employee specifies the table you want to retrieve data from. In this case, the employee table. Insert into employee specifies the table into which you want to insert data. From lists the columns you want to insert data into, like first name. Values provides the values to insert into the specified columns, like name Alice. Update employee specifies the table you want to update. Where employee ID equal 1 specifies the condition for which rows to update. In this case, the row with employee ID equal to 1. Same thing for deleting, like update, choose table and condition. Order by hire date ASC. The order by clause is used to sort the results in ascending order based on the hire date column. The last one, filtering data clause, filters the results to only include rows where the birth date is greater than birth date specific.